Effie! Welcome to my channel. It's time for one wonderful word with Effie. That's me. I love to learn new words. And one wonderful word that I've learned is the word soirée. I love the way that sounds. Soirée. Today, I'm going to tell you what soirée means, where soirée comes from, and how to use soirée in a sentence. Ready? Let's go! Soirée is a word that is similar in meaning to the word party. A party is a social gathering of invited guests, typically involving eating, drinking, and entertainment. And they are super fun. People often throw parties for birthdays, graduations, and different holidays. If you use party in a sentence, you might say, I had so much fun at Charlie's birthday party. A soirée is a kind of party. Let's learn more. I like the word soirée because I feel like it's super fancy. And guess what? It's actually a French word. So when you say soirée, you're actually speaking a little French. Ooh la la! France is a country in Europe, and people who live in France speak French. In French, le soir means evening, and soirée means evening party. So if a party is in the evening, it happens around dinner time. So a soirée is a party that happens around dinner time. It's an evening party. It's a soirée. Woohoo! So, if you used it in a sentence, you might say, I had so much fun at Charlie's birthday soirée. Let's say soirée together. Soirée. Again. This time, let's say it slowly. Soirée. 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 Very good. Let's try a little bit faster. Soirée, soirée, soirée. Excellent. Let's say it even faster. We're going to say soirée really fast 9 times. Can you do it? I know you can. Let's try. Soirée, soirée, soirée. Soirée, soirée, soirée. Soirée, soirée, soirée. Excellent! You are amazing. You just learned a new word. You learned the word soirée. Wow! I had so much fun learning with you today, and you can keep learning. Tell your parents to go to thebighairbook.com and download free activity sheets, including your gift, the Big Hair Coloring and Activity Book. And be sure to use your new word, soirée, in a sentence. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time. Until then, happy learning!